today onwards, I will repeat it to this intermediate also. Some previous students, somebody is asking this inter and chemistry part. First one is the chemistry part, structure of atoms, and I will start today in this video the structure of atoms only, and explain the Bohr's atomic model and the hydrogen spectrum. So this question I can explain now. Now let us go into this Bohr's atomic model. Bohr's atomic model. According to the first Bohr's atomic model merits, some merits is there. Only atom having three fundamental particles. So they are is electrons, protons, neutrons. The protons, neutrons located in nucleus. This particle is called nucleons. The electrons revolve around the nucleus. This is called atom only. The first second point is the atom having this number of orbits or shell. So each orbit and a shell. So the electrons energy is constant. So these orbits is called stationary orbits. These stationary orbits represented by K, L, M, N are 0, 1, 2, 3 only. Next one is two shells in a atom, two shells in between. Total energy will be calculated. How to the energy will be calculating? For example, in a atom, two shells in between. Lower orbit electrons, some amount of energy gaining goes to higher level. So the higher level electrons, some amount of energy loses goes to lower level. The total energy is there. The total energy means here delta. So a triangle symbol means delta. Delta means water or heating. So now delta E is equal, D means total energy. Delta E is equal to E2 minus E1 is equal to H nu 1. Now H is equal to Planck constant. In this Planck constant H value is 6.626 into 10 to the power of 27 minus 27 earth second. In earth values, in earth second values this one. Again next H is equal to 6.626 into 10 to the power of minus 34 joule second. So this is the joule and second. So joule second. So remaining the fourth one is the merit of this fourth, that is electrons will be revolve around the nucleus. So the electrons revolve around the nucleus making some angle only. Nucleus to outermost orbit distance is called radius. The radius represented by small r. We are making the some electron here to here making some angle. This angle is called what? Angular momentum. So the angular momentum mvr is equal to nh by 2 pi. nh by 2 pi on this. So m means mass of the electron, v means velocity of the electron, r means radius of the atom, n means interiors. So that is the shells, number of shells k, l, m, n, r, 0, 1, 2, 3, that is the shell. H means Planck constant values. So in this ergo minus 27, J's is minus 34, and 2 pi means what? 22 by 7 means 3.14. So that is the merits of this Bohr's atomic model. Now demerits is there. Demerits of this Bohr's atomic model, it will be Bohr's atomic model. Atomic number 1 hydrogen only, hydrogen spectrum only we can explain. So atomic number 2 or more. For example, helium, lithium, beryllium, like that only. I cannot explanation of this spectrum of these elements. So only atomic number 1 hydrogen spectrum only explain. Remaining is atomic number 2, 3, 4. So cannot explanation of this atomic number 3, 2, 4, etc. cannot explain. This is the first merit, defects, demerit of this Bohr's atomic model. So second demerit is cannot explanation of this how to making chemical bond. For example, H plus H gives H2 gas will be formed. So hydrogen and hydrogen in between how to making chemical bond cannot explain. This is also second demerits. So third one is how to revolve around the nucleus. For example, the shape of electron, planetary models. So planetary models cannot explain. Planetary means so is elliptical to spherical, spherical to elliptical. For example, this is a spherical and elliptical means like this. So this is a elliptical to spherical and spherical to elliptical. How to revolve this cannot explain. This is also second demerit on this. So third demerit cannot explain Zeeman and Stark effect. Zeeman and Stark effect. What about Zeeman effect? What about the Stark effect? So Zeeman effect means, in this first next one is Zeeman effect. So this Zeeman effect, a strong magnetic field. The magnet having, for example, north and south pole. So it is a magnet around us, magnetic lines is there. This lines is called magnetic field. So this is a strong magnetic field suspended to one is atoms. It will be splitting small spectral lines. So now this effect is called what effect? Zeeman effect. Zeeman effect. So second one is a Stark effect. Stark means a high voltage current. For example, in a electric wire, that is high voltage. For example, 30,000 volts. The high voltage electric field. This electric field is there. So in this electric field suspended into atoms or is any hydrogen gas or anyone splitting into small spectral lines. So it is spectrum is called Stark effect. So these two effects cannot explanation of this Bohr's atomic model. So only can explanation of this hydrogen spectrum only. So how to explanation of this hydrogen spectrum? Now next one. So the hydrogen atomic number is 1. Hydrogen gas. So the symbol of hydrogen is so H. That is a hydrogen gas is H2. And this the hydrogen spectrum. Now let us go in this hydrogen spectrum. The hydrogen spectrum. So first you can draw this spectrum of this hydrogen. So in your textbook some is giving wrong. Somebody is some textbook will be giving right only. In materials, study materials, in academy textbooks. So the academy some textbooks only will give in right only. Some textbook will be wrong. So that's why I will give clarity picture. First you can draw these 7 lines. So the first line also, for example, is all like this. For example, these lines will be joined on the first and the second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. All are joining downward. So now this series called Lyman series. So Lyman scientist only identified this series is called Lyman series. So now second one is identification of this splitting of the small spectral lines. This spectral lines is identification of this Balmer scientist. So now this is called Balmer series. Now next one is hydrogen spectrum only. The hydrogen spectrum, draw the diagram of hydrogen spectrum, these 7 lines. So N1, N is equal to 1, N is equal to 2, N is equal to 3, N is equal to 4, N is equal to 5, N is equal to 6, N is equal to 7. So the all splitting of small spectral line join in this first lines. So this series is called what series? This Lyman series. The Lyman scientist only identification of this series is called the Lyman series. So now next one is second one N is equal to this 2 is the second and the series is splitting of the small spectral lines. Balmer scientist only identification. This series is called the Balmer series. So now next one is third one. The third lines, for example, splitting of the spectral lines is called N is equal to 3. Again, splitting is Parchan scientist. Parchan scientist identification. This series is called Parchan series. Now next one is bracket scientist identifying these splitting lines. This bracket series. Next, last one is splitting of the small spectral line, 2 lines identification. This is a Pfund series. So Pfund scientist, PFUND, Pfund scientist identification. So this series is called the Pfund series. So this is a splitting of the hydrogen spectrum is this 5 series is identification. This is splitting of small spectral lines. The Lyman series is called so ultraviolet region. This UV regions only identification. So this is the first N is equal to 1. that is Lyman series. Ultraviolet region will be splitting the series called the ultraviolet region series. So this is also called the Lyman series. Second one is visible regions. This is visible region only. Visible regions only identification of the splitting of these spectral lines. Balmer scientist visible region only identification. Now n is equal to, that is Balmer series. This is the visible regions. So next one is Parchen series, that is the IR, infrared regions. IR region means infrared regions. The nearest far IR, far distance only the Parchen series identification, far IR. So this is series is called Parchen series. N is equal to 3. N is equal to 4. This bracket series, this infrared region, exactly infrared region only identification of the splitting lines. This series is called IR series or bracket series. N is equal to 4. So the n is equal to 5 is fund series, that is a far IR. So that is a near IR. So near IR is identification of this regions, splitting of the small spectral lines. This series is called fund series. So overall this condition is the spectrum of hydrogen is, this is the hydrogen spectrum. So hydrogen spectrum will be identification of the spectral lines is Lyman, Balmer, Parchen, bracket, fund. So this is region says UV region, visible region, near far IR regions, near IR regions, near IR regions. So this is the spectrum of hydrogen. So that all explanation of the Bohr's atomic model. This is spectrum of hydrogen. Okay.